Hey guys, Tony, how's everybody doing? I wanted to make a really quick update video on Strong and my Strong Block nodes and how much they've actually made to date. I think the last time I made a video about this was I think last week. Um, as of right now, my very first Strong node has been running for about almost 20 days now, straight. It's made 1.7 strong in 20 days, so that's roughly a little bit. I think that's gonna be um, I think it's gonna be a little bit under what is it called? Maybe like a little bit under 2 tokens in 2 weeks, roughly or so. Oh, is it? Probably doing my math wrong. This is how much every single one is made, right? I made the first one on the 11th, and it's made 1.7. The second one I made on the 18th. This one's been running now for about what are we in today? This one's been running for 12 days. So a little bit under 2 weeks, it's made 1.1. And then the very last one I actually made like 9 days ago, I think. And it's made almost one full strong coin. The price of strong did actually run up recently. It's I think at 500. Well, actually, let me check right now. It's at 500 and 539, right? And in total, I made 3.69 strong. So we can do the math. So 539 times 3.69. So far, in essentially under a month, I've already made $2,000 off of these strong nodes. I think my full record is actually going to come in on January 21st, which is when the last strong node was created. I think from then, I think my actual not final video, but my final monthly running all three nodes is going to be on the 21st of January. So on January 21st, I'm going to start a brand new series tracking everything from 1 month to 1 month running three nodes. I'm more than likely going to be buying another one after January 21st, because by then I will probably more than likely have I think a total of 9 to 10 coins, which I will be just using it to compound and purchase another strong node. But yeah, I just wanted to do a really quick update because some people have been asking about how much money the nodes have actually made in this last month that I've made it. So you guys can see here that I haven't even been running my strong nodes a full month, and I've already made $2,000 off of this. Keep in mind that it did cost me an initial, it was a lot of overhead, right? It was $13.5 thousand. Every single one was about $4,500 to actually purchase, and there's an ongoing monthly bill to kind of keep these up and going, which is about $15 each. So that means that every single month I'm paying $45 to keep these three nodes running, plus gas fees on top. Roughly, what I usually paid was about $30 to $40 for each node. That's including gas fees. So roughly I'm paying about anywhere between $90 to $120 to keep these all afloat. But if I'm making $2,000 right now in under a month, and it hasn't even been the full month yet, more than likely it's going to be paying for itself, right? I am going to be what is it called? I am going to be paying the overhead of the monthly subscription fee to keep these alive for a while, because I do want to end up compounding these and getting as many as, I think 10 nodes is going to be my first initial goal. Then that following month, I will be taking out that as profit. And then after that, that's when I'll start actually, starting the compound again. But I think my first initial profit taking is going to happen at 10 nodes. And then the second is going to be at 25. And then the third is going to be at 50, I think. So I'm really only going to be taking profit, I think, 3 times up until I hit 50 nodes. And this is going to be throughout the whole year, right? I don't expect to have these really fast. I'm not going to put any more money into these. I'm just going to let it compound. So I'll do the math later, and I'll make another video about that. Roughly, if you start with one node, how long is it going to take you to get like a certain amount? Right now with 3 nodes, I'm expecting to have 50 nodes sometime by the end of maybe next summer, possibly by the end of next year. I don't know yet. I have to go back and do the math, right? But we'll see what happens. But yeah, just a real quick update. So far for the month of December, I have made almost $2,000 off of my 3 nodes. Initial investment of 13.5K. And I will be updating you guys weekly just to kind of get a rough idea of what's happening. But Strong is moving up, which is fantastic, right? Strong is at, it already broke the $500 level. I think it's going to keep running, right? After, you guys already know that I have this kind of, sort of small, I don't even have an open position, but I think we're going back to $894 because we are going to be closing this week, more than likely on Sunday. If you guys can see this little red bubble, it's basically telling me, hey, this is a perfect buy-in right now for Strong. You should be buying Strong right now, or at least on Sunday, when you actually confirm that bullish trigger. And if you guys want access to this, obviously you join the Patreon. I'll drop the link below. But more than likely, I'm expecting another run like what happened, back here. At least something kind of similar where we go from either $80 to like 600, or you go from 400 something to like 1,000, like 1,200 or whatever. So I am expecting somewhat of a $400 push to the upside, which is why I have that TP of $900, right? But really, it's I think it's because we're going back to this order block right here, and again, I'll teach you guys about an order block later on. But I think as of right now, my TP, or my target for Strong right now, is going to be roughly $900, 894 bucks within the next couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months. But I think price of Strong is going to keep running up from here. But yeah, quick update. $2,000 almost as of right now. There you go. I just made 0.0002 more Strong while I was making this video. And I'll keep you guys updated. So far so good. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.